Hi.
Hi.
You saw me?
Yes, I saw you. I saw you.
I didn't know you were at my back home.
I have been here. I saw you when you ran out and you were messing that place up. I saw you.
I didn't mean to mess it up. Actually, it's because of my condition. I have malaria, so...
Oh, malaria?
Yes.
This malaria is very rampant these days, and you can get it from your opposite gender.
No, you know, with our AA, it's very easy for us to contact malaria.
Contact malaria? So that malaria now, after 9 months, it will develop into something big. Your stomach will not bulge out. Then you will not give birth to a living thing.
What are you talking about? No, it's not. It's malaria.
It's still the malaria. That's how malaria reacts.
Sorry, please. Can you just not tell anybody what you saw?
Oh, I should not say anything. I should not tell anybody. I cannot keep quiet. Oh. You know, this one that you have malaria now, I should help you and tell your brother, tell your father.
No. Don't tell anybody, please.
I should not tell anybody. But this malaria, we deal with it seriously.
I'll deal with it.
And you deal with it.
Don't tell anybody.
Me, see, I don't keep secret. Oh. I am a very honest person.
I know.
I don't keep secrets. So for me to keep this your own, find me something.
Oh, please, can you just not say anything? What do you want?
100,000 naira.
For what?
To keep your secret.
I don't understand. 100,000 to just keep a secret. Who does that? I'm not interested.
Okay, come now. Price now. Price.
Okay, let me give you 1,000 naira. At least to compensate you.
$1,000.
1,000 naira.
Naira?
Yes, ma'am.
The same naira that you and I know. One note. To keep quiet.
Are you collecting it or not?
Give me 5,000 naira. I'm fair enough.
I don't have 5,000 naira to give you. Okay, you know what? Let me just give you 3,000 naira. Please, don't tell anybody.
3,000 naira is small now.
Do you want me to kneel down for you, please?
Don't kneel down, but this is a top secret though. But let's agree. That 3,000 naira will be monthly subscription.
I don't understand. Make me understand. I don't understand.
Okay, see. Every month you'll be paying me 3,000 naira to keep quiet until after 9 months.
As what? Even me myself, I don't do subscription of 3,000 naira a month. Don't talk of giving it to you. Wow.
Do you agree or not? That's a perfect condition.
Can't you just keep short?
I will keep short. Pay me my money. Bring the money.
Okay, when I go upstairs, I'll bring it for you.
Don't trick. If you trick me, I'll go and talk.
I can't trick you, please.
Okay, go and bring the money.
Even if they ask you, don't talk.
And they will not ask me.
Okay.
And even if they don't ask me, I will not talk.
Better. Don't talk, please.
I will not talk.
Thank you.
Hope I will be at the naming ceremony. Hi! I should not tell anybody. Me that I see, my mouth is like a razor blade or whatever I say, I talk. If you like, you agree with the terms and conditions. I'll come. I want to see you.
What to see who?
I want to see her.
Wait to give. Do you have any business with this guy?
Don't worry, just wait for me outside. I'll join you. 2 minutes.
Don't waste my time.
Yes, sir. I will not waste your time. What is it again now? Eh?
Which one is what is it? Eh? You were coming back. You brought only 3,000. See, I just want to come and tell you that my terms and conditions have changed. I don't want to talk too much. Eh? This your secret is too big. It took almost all the space in my brain, so I have to delete it. And for me to delete the secret, and I want more money. I want more money.
Which one is you want more? Okay, so how much should I give you?
Give me 5,000.
For what?
To delete your secret. The secret is very big. We that keep secret.
Wait. Am I picking money from the floor?
I don't know.
I don't have 5,000 to give you.
Then you at least say something more positive. Okay. Give me 4,000.
Hey, what kind of problem is it? I don't have 4,000. You can see me. Better wait for me outside.
Why will you say you don't have 4,000? Your secret is too big. Why will you keep such big secrets?
It's okay. I have 2,000 naira to give. I can give you 2,000.
2,000 naira is small. No?
Will you collect it or not?
Oh yeah, bring it. Bring the 2,000. This is 2,000.
Just keep your mouth shut. I don't want to hear from anybody.
Don't worry. Only 2,000. You gave me 2,000 and you said I should. I'm coming back for the remaining 3,000 naira balance. Let me go and first buy Shinak with this money. Gift. Gift, come, I want to see you.
Isaac, you cannot see her. She's not available. Let's go inside. You cannot see her.
Wait, Gift.
What is it?
I want to see you now.
She's not available. Let's go inside.
No, wait. It's not you I'm talking to. Gift, I say I want to see you.
And I said you cannot see her now. Are you deaf? You cannot see her now. She's not available now. So let's go inside, Gift.
Tell him now.
Tell him what? What is it?
Tell him to excuse us. I want to see you. It's concerning that, I cannot. If I talk.
Isaac, don't worry, say it.
Nourish, just excuse us. Let me.
Are you deaf? Or can't you hear him? Say what you want to say here. Let us get out of this place.
Say it. She's my sister. Say it.
I should say it. This is your sister. She has been sleeping around and she's 2 months pregnant.
I know.
No, you don't understand. As in, your sister Gong, she has been sleeping around in this estate.
Hey, Isaac, I say I know. See, make I tell you now. Make I tell you that we come from hospital now, and she's not even pregnant. Now malaria she gets. She's having malaria. She no get belly. So all those your mumu they talk up and down. No need again. Let's go inside. Isaac, how long have you been in this house?
2 years and 3 months.
Okay, you see what happened. When you are done, come upstairs. Let me give you a quick message.
Quick notice for saying the truth. You want to give me quick notice? Okay, Gift, come and collect your 5,000 naira back.